This unit has a two-stage compressor pump on it, 85-gallon tank. If you come over here and look, this will tell you your specs. Max PSI is 175 PSI on this unit. Everything's in really, really nice shape in this. It's really quiet. Underneath here you have your valve you can set for when the compressor comes on and when it turns off for your PSI settings. Underneath here, this is your starter. This unit is currently wired 440. It can be wired 220, but if you want to wire this 220, you have to change the coil in the starter in this. The coil in this is 440 only. So yes, will this compressor run both voltages? Yes, the motor will. The starter will not unless the coil is changed. If you want this changed before shipment, just contact us, let us know, and we'll just charge you for the price of the coil in the starter. So right now I had the tank fully full, and right here it's at its max. This one's set for 160. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bleed off some of the pressure. This one drops down to 100 before it kicks back on, so it's going to get pretty loud in here. And that's just the air you hear blowing off from for your pressure setting. As you see down here, you also have a drain in the tank, so you can drain the water daily if you don't hook a dryer system up to this unit. When this unit is sold, there will be no oil in this compressor unit at all. We do not ship things with oil in them. So when you get this, you will have to put new oil in this. You can Google it. Oil, you just put Speedaire 1WD71. Oil will come up. You can buy it through Granger, Diversified Air Solutions. A whole bunch of places carry this oil. The oil is specific to these compressors. If you do not use the proper oil, the warranty will be voided on this unit. This is our 10 horsepower Speedaire air compressor.